On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolio's taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Good morning. What's going on? Yeah, I gotta work on this green screen. Look at this. It's somewhat good. I would say it's somewhat good. All right. I got a green. I was ironing yesterday for you guys. Okay, I was ironing for you. Me. I had the ironing board out. I had the little spray bottle, okay? My boy, my newborn boy was a little bit fussy yesterday. I look like I'm sick a little bit. I don't look as handsome. Maybe we can put some contrast or something on here. Oh, man. I look more gray. I got a little bit of shine going on. We're working on it, okay? It should be smoother, a smoother experience, right? We P. Diddy lubed the stream. Is that too early? It's never too early to go P. Diddy, right? Oh, that's good coffee. It seems smoother. It seems as though you're bright AF. Oh, man. Let's jump into the regular chart. I'm looking for a long right now. I look kind of bright, don't I? I look kind of bright. We can adjust this along the way here. We got the green screen. We'll see how it goes, man. We'll see how it goes. I mean, it looks okay. It's just a little bit, work in progress. We're back to basics. Looking for the long right now, bouncing off this area, possibly going to take a stab right now. We got JOLTS coming at us. Okay, JOLTS, jobs. Man, I do look really bright. Let me see if I can add a filter or something. I look like I'm sick. I look nasty. My computer is just chilling though. It's not even making noises like it used to. You're bright AF. Yeah, 1080. I have a good camera. I'm going to possibly hook it up. It's weird though. What's going on, everybody? We're going to say hello to everybody as well, man. Add frustrated to the poll. Oh, man. Look at all these happy people. We got joy to the world. The teachers. We won't go down that road. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful morning. I got to add like a filter to my head. I look like I'm edit filters, okay? I look really bright. Brightness. Can I turn that down a bit? Ooh, that's a bit better. Looking a little bit more crispy. There, now I look a bit more human. Still a bit green. That's better? Yeah, let's go. Okay. There, at least I don't look like I'm absolutely I was ironing yesterday, okay? Don't get it twisted. I put in the work after hours for you guys. Okay? I put in the work after hours for you guys. Never. Well, you're not going to play now? Do you need to load? I do have like a little bit of green on my... It looks like I have green on my hair. That's handsome. Never did I think I'd be ironing a green screen. It doesn't want to load. I was legit ironing, okay? I'd be ironing a green screen. In my office. That was me. Hashtag goals, okay? This is what I dreamed of, you know, as a former tradesman carpenter, right? Like, I can build a damn house. I can build a damn skyscraper, okay? That I'd be ironing in my office. I went from the manliest endeavor to ironing in my office. If all my trade friends could see me now, they would probably shake their heads. I mean, I was setting up the green screen. I felt like a man. You know that drill smell? Every man has to, you know, when you pick it up, you got to hit it. For all you men out there who like I got you. All right. We out there working. I felt manly hanging in my green screen. Now we're here hanging out with you guys. So we're going to say good morning to you all. I want to know how you're feeling. You're feeling the FOMO? Fear and greed is all the way up the wazoo, all the way up to, oh, man, fear and greed. It is at 72. 72. Wild. Absolutely wild. I have to shut the door here. Don't want to wake up my newborn. I think I already woke up my wife. Oh, man. I'm in the doghouse already, and it's only Tuesday. How are we all feeling, though, man? Look at this pump. This is incredible. Like, what an amazing pump we've had. Oh, man. Challenging those all-time highs. Can we continue? I'm looking for the long here. If we can continue, we'll see. Might take a stab. Just waiting. I'm just waiting for confirmation, okay? We pumped up. I mean, retail was buying the top. We knew retail was up here buying the top. Okay, we've come back down. View up and the golden pocket reside just below us. We might want to go long down here. Okay, we might want to go long down here. Let's just be patient. But I mean, this thing is up only, baby. Look at this 4-hour chart. Whoo-wee. My golly gee. Let's add this to our areas. Let's get rid of the long position. Let's get rid of this stuff and this stuff. Oh my goodness gracious. We are going to the moon. We have taken the satellite. The total massive jump to, I don't know, where are we going? Narnia? Okay, let's say good morning to everybody. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you everybody for being here. Mad love to all of you guys. Massey, good morning to you. Football Dream, I love to pump. Let's go. Football Dream loves to pump. Okay. Good morning, WF. Motivation. Good morning, afternoon, all. Much love. Good morning, JP. First, says Dave Digital. Dave, you are first. We'll go over here to the trade idea so that you guys aren't uninformed of what we're looking for, okay? As we say good morning to everyone, looking for this. We'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it. Rolling over here, losing some structure. We'll see if this holds. I could be jumping long if this bounces back up, okay? We aren't holding the highs here though, so concerning to say the least. Okay? I don't like how I look. I still look too bright. Is that smart or is that stupid? Good morning. Good morning, Aaron. How's it going? Good to see you. The Simpsons. Add frustration to the poll. Well, I think frustration falls under the category of maybe FOMO. Maybe you're feeling like you missed out. Maybe you've overtraded. Something to just check in on. Okay. Good morning, Crypto Traveler. I allowed you to use that Crypto Traveler. I accepted the sharing of our trading journal and our trading the request for the trading journal and the position size calculator. Okay, I've accepted that, so you should have access to that. If not, just send over a request for that again. Good morning, Blockchain Basement. What's going on? Good to see you. Good morning. I do believe we are going to do a collab. Hopefully jump on your show and then I can get set up and have you over here. That would be incredible. Thank you for being here. Much love to you. Thanks for hanging out. Forget about it. What's going on? Let's get after it relentlessly. I mean, yeah, this Bitcoin price, baby. It's crazy, isn't it? It's crazy. It's going absolutely nuts. The volatility is off the wazoo, if that is a statement. I think that's a statement. What's going on, Magnum DeFi? Good morning to you. Big Time Mindset. Good morning, y'all. Tamale, good morning. Y'all have a beautiful day now. Good morning, Tamale. Thank you so much. V Monitor, thank you for your kind comments. You know, V Monitor, sometimes I don't see V Monitor on the live streams. However, V Monitor comes through and says hello and drops a nice comment on the live streams, on the videos. And, you know, if you really want to get a hold of me, something that I'm going to read, is a comment on the live streams or a comment on the regular videos. I check them all. I mean, I'm not a big content person, right? So like for me, I don't have a huge following. Therefore, I think it's better that you guys get the attention you absolutely deserve. It's like a direct line to my chaos, and that's what a comment really does. So that's pretty cool, man. Thank you for always dropping a comment, man. Ty Fox, good morning to you, man. How's it going? This looks like it's going to pump again. I'm just saying. This looks pumpy to me. This got a little shoe pattern here. This looks pumpy to me. I am bright. Yep. Good morning, Maddox. Good morning, LJ. Luke Zaldana, good morning to you. Oh man, we got a lot of people in here already, man. You guys are incredible. Thank you so much for showing up. Alex, the Iron Man. Let's go. Good morning to you, Induranga. What's going on, Induranga? Good morning, Otter Gang. Let's go. We need to range here really bad to have a chance to continue up. Quite possibly. We could just continue. When we started pumping like this, breaking structure to the upside, it really didn't stop. Okay, if we're looking at anything, if we're looking at his story, okay, we see this consolidation breakout. This isn't even the one. Okay, this is the consolidation. But once you broke something like this, right? Once you went that parabolic, you know, this eventually had to range, but it definitely breaking out of this range right here. It never stopped. It never really stopped, right? And this is the doozy move. This is the one, you know, the 24% move. We haven't seen that yet. Okay, we haven't seen that yet. You had the last sweep of the lows, the accumulation that we talked about as well on this channel, where we have the accumulation down here. You have your break, right? This is your if this is your range, right, and you add 26% to this thing, right, you're looking at 80. I'd say 85,000 would be my target. Nice fib extension. Okay, if we're looking, 85K lines up with a lot of things. So looking in here, fib extensions, trend-based fib analysis. I've done a bunch of it, looking at that area for us to potentially get into, okay? But once we break, it doesn't want to stop. Doesn't mean that there's not a lot happening today. So we do have JOLTS job openings this morning. It's going to have an effect on the market, okay? That's at 10 a.m., so we're prepared for that as well. It's going to be an interesting one. Let's say good morning to a lot of people here. Walsh Jesse, good morning to you. Hope you're doing well. Okay, look at all these otters. Wicks, White, Fine 89. What's going on to the Wicks? Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys all the time. Cameron McDougall, morning, gang. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Liquid Diddy, 1080p, Yes, I do have a 4K camera. I could hook it up. Maybe I should. Yeah, probably. I might do that. That's the next step. I have a Sony ZV-1, or you guys in America call it a ZV-1. We call it a ZV-1 in Canada because we speak the Queen's English over here. Okay, Latmo Crypto, much love. You remind me of Gandalf coming back as a G all white. Am I still too white? Guys, let me know in the chat if my my new green screen that I went ironing. My computer's so calm right now, not using the video card to be a green screen. Alex, the ghost of the past. Casper O Crypto. You guys need to give me an honest appraisal about, am I too bright? Do I need to add another filter here? Let me check the most recent chat. Let me know. You should be using BloFin blow dryer. I have a BloFin blow dryer. BloFin sent me a blow dryer. If you didn't know, I got a video for you. Okay, BloFin, blow drying, blowing you away with their trading profits. Don't forget to use the link down below. What's going on, Jonathan Schaefer? You still on that long, bro? I bet you are. Good to see you, Tradefly. My twinsy, man. We're gonna be hanging out with Tradefly on the nightcap on Halloween. We'll be dressing up. So let's go. What's up, Alex? Let's go, Yamaha. Good morning to you, Marco. Good morning. Look at all these absolute legends in here. Okay, that's why we don't want to be buying the top. We want to wait for healthy retracements. Okay, looking at this, RS Miller. Good morning. You are on early. Oh yeah. Well, we're here. I mean, 8:15 is when we start. We're always ready at 8:15. The clocks do go back on the weekend. We will be even earlier. Okay, we fall backwards. Yes, so the clocks go backwards. Your internet is too slow. Okay, I don't think so. I got fiber connection. Okay, I'm cooked up. Looks cool. You become a real man yesterday. Real man iron. Let's go, Tamale. Yeah, man. I mean, I had the iron out. I was spraying it and going with it. It's like it's a shit job, man. Like I am not. If you need ironing done, don't come to Alex O Crypto. Okay, I'm not your guy. Tisk says Jonathan Schaefer. Gonna have to put on sunglasses to watch Alex this morning. I don't know. Edit filters. Okay, let's do this together. You guys are gonna let me know. You guys are gonna let me know that I'm too bright. Alex Glow Crypto. Oh man. Okay, brightness needs to go down even more. How low? Oh man, that's too low. Something like that. Maybe I'll turn the contrast up a little bit. Oop. Contrast down a little bit. That's some Scamwick right there. Scamwick up, dropping down again. Is that better? Let me look. I look okay. I'm not that's better. I think that's better. Put a 1 in the chat if that's okay. I think that's better. You know what's better is that my computer is dead silent right now. That's what's better, okay? If you want something that's better, is that my computer is quiet, which means healthy stream. Okay, that's all that you guys want the signals or not? I might be getting long right here. Just letting you know. I might be getting long. Alex Glow Crypto. I love it. I love it. Oh man. I'm confused till I see what happens today on New York Open. I expect the worst from New York NYE. Yeah. Alex is the light. Yes, exactly. If you want to be cured of all of your utterly sins, I am the one. If Amy is up anyway, can I get 4 eggs over medium and 2 pieces of spicy breakfast sausage? Yeah. Amy's a great cook. She's a great cook. She's a great mom. She's a great wife. I mean, she's incredible. Suey Big Green Candle Live is going for it. Let's see, Suey. I mean, I gave the Suey long trade setup from 163. I mean, if you're part of our Discord, you were privy to this. You were privy to this. I mean, whew. Ooh-wee, Suey. Look at that. Right from the bottom. Right from the bottom. This thing's just going to $2 and on. Look at this thing. I mean, we had that little liquidity sweep, but if you had the stones to hold through the liquidity sweep, you had the trade setup, and that was given in advance. I mean, wow. Look at this thing, man. You would have made, whew, you would have been rich, okay? You would have been rich, and just to prove it, we can go over and look at our winners wall and look at our friends over here, the Otter Gang, who are privy to this. And they say, thank you, Massey, for sharing this. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, Universe. Grateful, learning, rebuilding, 262% gainer. Let's go, Massey. Love it, bro. I love seeing people win, man. And the setup is in the Alt TA here. As you can see, price coming down. Given in advance, 163. Okay. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. I love seeing people win, man. If you want to get some of this goodness, come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. We'd love to have you. Bitcoin flopping around here. Looking to possibly get long here. This is flagging out. Might drop down a little bit, but let's get back to that chat. Now I look like really contrasted. Yeah, the beard looks good, though. I'm getting a haircut today. Gonna have to put on sunglasses. Yeah, Alex is the light. Suey, Big Green Candle. La Viva, Alex. Oh, you're glowing. You're overextended and should retrace, but yeah, I do believe we are overextended, but sometimes it doesn't care to retrace. But if we really start to rally, that won't matter. Yeah, absolutely. R.S. Miller. Okay, joke of the day. Where do you go when you have to peekaboo? Uh-oh. Where's R.S. Miller? Where do you go when you have peekaboo? R.S. Miller, where's the answer, man? Good morning, NW. Good morning, Frank. Fit for Life Crypto. Good morning, gang, 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 gang. Davis first morning fam jam. Alex Glow Crypto. I'm not gonna live this one down, am I? I try to make the stream better and I get criticized. I love it. Nah, Tradefly is family. I love Tradefly, man. Alex Glow Crypto in the house, baby. Let's go. One love, Otters. We're coming back down to 69,930. That's very specific. We'll see if we do get down there. Okay, Mark Dutch, good morning to you. Jim Hill, good morning. I just bought my Bitcoin Halloween costume. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm ready for the Halloween costumes. I think we'll do a Halloween live stream all day. We'll see. If you guys behave yourselves. Not entering yet. This looks like it wants to roll over. Still looking at the VWAP here. Golden pocket area. Trend line holding, we'll see. Not too big on this trend line. Please do not think that this trend line is the bee's knees. It's not the bee's knees. Okay. Alex is too bright or issues with the live. Alex's face is full. I need an honest appraisal from someone to tell me should I adjust my camera a little bit? I can turn off my light. Maybe that's gammy though. Ugh. Ugh. Closed my ETH long. Awesome, man. Trading while working, bad idea. Yeah. Quasim, good morning. G Corp, good morning. NW, Alexander, good morning. Great name. Serpent, good morning to you. Dave Digital, can't handle the light, man. Just too holy. We do have Billy Goat Tales tonight, so make sure you guys go and hang out with us over there. Trade Fly sends the $5 super chat. Good morning to you. You brighten my day, bro. Alex Glow, crypto. He was taken over by a ghost. Mark, good morning, Spyros. Good morning to you. Ty Fox, I'm scared of FOMOing today. Total is at a lower high. Okay, we'll take a look at total. Sir, I really missed you here. Urama Official, good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you, V Monitor. Good morning to you. Tradefly, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, man. That's so kind of you. I appreciate you. Mark Dutch, probably talking smack. So you're saying Alex is Kermit Green now? Oh God. Why does Alex look like he's integrated by the FTI? I'm not in trouble, Mark. I'm not in trouble. I'm blinking. Oh man. Good morning. Father Time, good morning. Gang hang. It's a gang hang. As long as you don't say bang, we're good there. How's ETH looking? We'll take a look at ETH. How's it going? 12 Big Dallas, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Yes, you are blown out. Well, fix it later. Okay. I don't mind the white point. I can tell you keep a white dog. Yeah, you're bright. Okay, so everybody's saying I'm bright. How does it look now? Does it look really bad? November is the best month for crypto history, say like that. Okay. Yeah, November is a good month. So is Pumptober. I guess we're getting a really good Pumptober now. We can't really complain, can we? Rigo, good morning. Greetings from Chart Prime. Let's go, Chart Prime. Shout out to Chart Prime. Amazing suite there. We do have an affiliate link for them. I mean, great. I teach over there as well. So I do a teaching session there with OC Guy every day at 11 a.m. And using their indicators and stuff like that. It's really, really good. It's really good. It's very, it's a great system they have over there. November is the best month. Let's go. Aiko, let's go. Good morning to you. Okay, we got Flop. What's up, semi-aquatic mammals? Guys, it's the flopper, it's the groper, man. If you're not following the flop and groper, man, you got to. If you want to see VWAP mastery, if you want a VWAP mastery class, you have to go over to the flop and groper, okay? Market Cipher family. Absolute push-up machine. Okay? And just a great person. Just a great person. Okay? Guys, go over and hang out with Nick. We're trying to get Nick to 4,000 subs before me. Me and Nick are on par subscriber-wise. So if you're following me, you should be following Nick. Nick is one of the kindest people I've ever met. Okay, Nick and Face. I love these guys, man. They do sponsor the channel. However, I've been using Market Cipher forever, you know, and to have the people who are behind Market Cipher believe in you, it's a whole different story, okay? It's a whole different story. Very grateful to Nick. And I mean, if you need some motivation, Go to Nick. I mean, this guy is amazing. Love you, Flopper. Love you, Nick. Love you, FG. My man. Have a great day. I'm sure you're crushing it. I'm sure you're long. Amazing, amazing trader, man. Good to see you, man. Luke Zaldana, I got PTSD every time when we've come up here. Just fell right back down. Just want to see some structure. Well, it's good to have some concern being this high in the market right now. It's very good. Okay, it's very good. Because you don't want to be buying the top. Okay, we don't want to be buying the top and just FOMOing in. Okay, we have an election still to come. What if the Kamala lady gets elected, right? Then maybe it won't look so good. Maybe it won't look so good. I am upset with this. I look bad. My God. My God. I'm not supposed to look good for YouTube, but I could look better. I could look better. It's the contrast. Okay, so let's get rid of the contrast. I have zero contrast on this thing, man. Zero. Contrast down, brightness down a little bit. Okay. You know, I could just disappear. Pow! Pow! I'm gone. Oh man, I don't know. We'll have a play with it later. I don't know. Bright sunny morning with Alex O. Let's go 12 Big Dow. Let's go, man. Let's go. Ty Fox, Pamela's. Are you guys expecting sub 70 before big breakout? We'll take a look at that. V monitor 1-1. You look like a beauty glam shot. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, where do you take the VWAP? The VWAP is just below right here. So we're looking for VWAP retest golden pocket. We'll see if we come down here. However, a big battle right now. Big battle right now. Trying to hold this low. In my opinion, we'll see how it goes, man. We'll see how it goes. Bass Crouton, good morning to you. Alex with that Twilight Vampire skin. Let's go. Let's go. Did you open the long? No, we're not long yet. We're waiting. Trading is waiting. Okay. Good morning, Blair Stevenson. Tyson Prosper, if you was going to pull a fib on the 1 hour, will you show where exactly you will pull it from? I will keep getting confused pulling my fib for scalping. Yeah, absolutely. We can look at that on a 1 hour. We'll take a look at that. Massey, good morning. Good job on that trade, man. Love seeing people win. Wick 589. FG Wifey and I were just talking about you yesterday. They're talking about you, Flopper. They're talking about you, man. Good morning to you. Good morning, Tradefly. Yo, Flop and Gopher, what's up, my G? Yeah, FG's a ledge in the chat, man. Good to see you, man. Dave Digital. Marv Has, good morning to you. Arpad, good morning to you. Jonathan Schaefer, pull fixed VWAP on the current all-time high. Pull that and thank FG. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. He's got some mad tricks. He was on the crypto nightcap not too long ago, showing some of the slicky Ricky tricks with the VWAP, man. And I've seen the trades. They're big, they're beautiful, and hats off to you, man. Hats off to you, man. That's awesome. I love seeing people win. I have now subbed to FG. Let's go. Let's pump his bags, baby. I went long from 6,800. That's a really good entry, man. 6,800. I've never seen a price like that. I'm just taking the piss, man. I'm just taking the piss. 68.8. Okay, that's awesome, man. Good entry. Good entry. I don't want to buy now. It could possibly drop 5%. I'd rather buy when it's up 20%. That's the story, right? That's the story. Move the light. That will your face. Okay. Maybe I turn the light down. I can turn the light down. I think. Off. On. I can change the color. Ooh, white light. Brown light. Maybe that one. Not as bright. Light bright. Light bright. That one. There. Maybe that's a bit better. Then I'm less blind too. That's better. What's going on in my hero? Saturated like fat. The light that is. Can't wait till FG starts going live again. Bearish divergences on the 4-day chart. Alex, okay. It's forming. Okay, let's take a look. So we're going to talk about that 1 hour fib pull that you're asking about. Let's take a look at that. And then we're going to get into some goods, okay? So looking at this 1 hour fib pull. So you want to go from impulse move to the upside here. So you can go from a multiple of areas, okay? You got a bunch of lows here, right? So you got a low here. You got a low here, right? You got a low here. In this area here, I'm going from this one here. That's the impulse move, in my opinion. Okay, we could zoom into this area here. So let's get rid of these. Let's go into a 30-minute. Maybe we get some more data. Okay, so we flagged out here. That's kind of bad now, isn't it? So you have two options. You can go from this one here, the low of the range, right? If this is your range, you can go from the low of the range, or you can go from the impulse move up, okay? When we're ripping to the upside, I always go from the impulse move up. So I will pull from the impulse. We can even go on a 15 here, okay? And we can go from the impulse up. And that's how I would do it, to the high. And the high is here. You go from here to here. And you always give yourself an area, right? I mean, you don't want to go to 786, but you'd be looking at something like that, okay? For that impulse move to the upside. If you're going on like an hourly candle, okay, same thing. You can snap it to here. Same area, okay? Same area, that's where I would pull it, okay? And I have one too. Just down in here a little bit more. Rolling over right now, flagging out. A little bit of Bart Simpson could be coming back down, wrecking everyone who is bullish right now. This is actually quite interesting. Coming down the VWAP, we'll see if we bounce from here. That's why we didn't get long this morning, okay? It is early in the morning. It is 9 a.m. We do have some things coming out today. That would be jobs. Would it be jobs? Let me see. JOLTS jobs openings. Yes. Okay. It's going to be a doozy of a week. Let's not get it twisted. Okay. JOLTS job openings. We pushed up. Doesn't mean we just press buy. Okay. Asia pumped the market last night as usual. Okay. 10 o'clock at night. Asia pumped us up. We have JOLTS coming out here. So we want to see this coming down. No, we want to see it coming up. That's what we want to see. We want to see this landing. Okay. Not necessarily going to happen, but into an election, I would like to see, want to see this coming down and then up, right? We want to see this coming up. That would be good. That would be landing the plane, okay? So that's something we're looking for. A very, very important week. We have inflation. We have GDP story. We have core PCE. We have non-farm payrolls and unemployment. That's going to be a scary one. So we're keeping our eyes to those charts, hoping to catch these moves. Go over and sub to FG, man. This guy's Mark Cypher King. Go over and hang out there. We're waiting for this little long to come into play. We'll see if it does come down and if we can bounce, okay? Stop loss below here. We'll see if it does come in. Shout out to everybody's here. Thank you for being here. Hey, man, can you check Wild Goat Coin, please? Is that the ticker? Here comes the bounce. Whew. Little sweep. A little sweep. Are we going to get in? Come on, Bitcoin. A little sweep. Sorry, I'm getting excited here. Coming into our golden pocket of this little range in here. Going from the low to the high. Okay. VWAP bounce. Ooh, it's tempting, isn't it? It is tempting. Oh, it's tempting. I'm not going. I'm not going to do it. I'm not doing it. No, it's too degenerate. It's too degenerate. We haven't even looked at Market Cypher yet. You guys are just so busy saying, I got to start this stream at 8 a.m. with all the good mornings I have to get through. Been out for a few weeks, and we're already at 71,000. Yes, Bafsir, good to see you. Good to see you, my friend. Maybe a Band-Aid. Good to see you. Can we look at the dog coin? Yeah, we could. We could. Hit the like. Yeah, that would be cool. If you guys want to hit the like button, that would be appreciated. We got 160, 70 people in here, man. Say good morning. Say good morning. We got 52 likes. We can do better than that. We got up to 260 something likes yesterday. That was absolutely insanity. That was absolute insanity. Don't do it, Alex. Don't press the button. Okay, so we're going to get into the market cipher top-down analysis, and then we can look at maybe some shit coins and hopefully help you guys with that. Okay? Looking for the bounce here on Bitcoin. We're bullish divergence at the golden pocket. Oof, this is tempting, okay? This is tempting. Pretty hot and tempting. Holding the low here. VWAP bounce. Higher high here, higher low there. 1 second. Let me just look at this for a second, just so I'm not making any mistakes. I don't want to mislead you guys in the long this morning. Okay, coming down to VWAP, retesting here, push up. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high. Yeah. Okay, money's choppy. VWAP resetting. That's very bullish. Okay, 12. Oh, that's nice too. I like that. I like this curvature here, and I like this curvature here. Ooh, 24 looking right juicy. Let's look at the 1 hour here. Just going in quickly. I don't want to make bad decisions. It's not, rounding here. That's nice as well. Woo-wee. Rejection from VWAP. Okay. I got my idea. I'll let you guys know what the idea is as we proceed to give you what you need. Top down, okay? Weekly, looking bullish, okay? We said 4-day bearish divergence. Let's take a look at that. 4-day still has a day and a half to print, okay? So we haven't had a printing of our 4-day here. It has flipped green on stochastics, which is beautiful. Are you talking about this one here? You're talking about this here? You're talking about that there. This is very, I wouldn't put weight on this in my opinion. Okay. Because this would just be a push up, right? I think you're talking about this one here, from here to here. Yeah, this is a Jesus take the wheel that didn't fully take the wheel, and then it continued. So for me, this isn't really valid. This would have to be a single wave. Okay. We are rolling over into VWAP as we speak right now. Whew. It's tempting. It's tempting me. It's saying, Alex O Crypto, you want to take the long. You want to press buy. Let's wait for a break of structure here. Sorry. I'm getting overexcited. Getting way overexcited. 230 people in here. Holy smokes. Did that jump up so fast? Everybody just comes over at 9 o'clock because they know that I just spend all morning saying good morning to everybody. Good morning to everybody who's new here, who's coming back. Thank you for being here. Make sure you hit that like button. Come over and hang out in the Discord. That's where all the fun is. DN, what's going on? Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Aaron, good morning to you. Clean. Okay, so I'm not going to put too much weight on that. Okay, that to me, you're really, it's a good spot. Like, yeah, good spot. But to me, this is very much like we have a lot of time to take this high. We have a lot of time. We could do something like this and still take this high, and then we round over, right? We want to catch the divergences as they, like this one right here. That was beautiful, right? Because you got your top in, right? There's your drop down, beautiful bearish divergence here, right? So you get that. But this one here, you're really having to justify time here, in my opinion. So it is there. But you got to wait for this to kind of roll over, and that's going to take forever. So keeping our eye on the prize. Going over to our 3-day. Pardon me. Our 3-day does look as though it wants to continue upwards. We have a green dot forming. money flow coming in. I bounce off of the 0 line. Very bullish sign, okay? Very bullish sign. Everything pointing up right now. Nice move. Okay, going over to our 2-day and our daily here. Confirmed green dot on our 2-day VWAP bouncing off the 0 line as well. And the daily ramping back up. Okay, so big ramp here. Pretty overextended in my opinion. Okay, so coming up, hitting the top of our stochastics. Coming over. This is very double topish. This is like warning sign. Okay, very big warning sign. Doesn't mean that this wave can't just continue upwards and put in an anchor, then a trigger, then we look to short. Okay, but for me, VWAP right now is really telling a story. Whenever we get very overextended on VWAP, we look at here, right? And you can see that it can remain indifferent. Okay, it can remain indifferent while going down. You see it's going down here, and it's still continuing to put in higher highs and higher lows, okay? However, most of the time when VWAP gets overextended on the daily, we do get a little bit of a retrace, as you can see over here, okay? And as you can see over here, okay? So let's not be up only crazy pump fiends. Let's just be realistic here with price action and try to take advantage of it, okay? So right now, this is looking very overextended. What would be, just looking at this, okay, what would be the initial idea? The initial idea, if I was to be looking at this, where I would be looking for price to go, would be very, very simple. It would be like, okay, we are going to revisit this high. That would be it. That would be like as basic bitch analysis as I could do, would be like, hey, we are just going to do this. Okay, so revisiting 70,800 is very much on the table. If I've watched enough price action, I know this to be true. Okay, so that's the retrace. That as 201 likes already. I'm done. I'm going to go. You guys have a great day. I'll see you guys later. My God, you guys are incredible. Thank you so much. Vote for Alex O Crypto. Good stuff. Good stuff. Jeffrey Stone Cypher. Good morning to you. 70K retest gonna fake out, and retail retest longs gonna get faked. Okay, that's a nice word of you know what it is. You know what it is. Stop trying to get me to swear on the internet. Stop it. Stop it. Look at 70,350 to take long. You guys all have this financial advice, man. I don't have financial advice on this channel. I don't know what you guys are talking about, man. I don't know what you're talking about. We have liquidity, which resides down here. Everybody's bullish. Bart Simpson pattern coming down, retesting. We'll see. We'll see. I love it, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's continue. Let's continue. So our daily ramping up, potential double top, okay? Getting overextended here. Doesn't mean this doesn't reset and continue, okay? Like we talked about. The 12-hour. Now this is kind of beautiful. Why is this beautiful? What would make this look beautiful to you, right? So we got your double bottom here. You got your ramping to the upside. You have your aggressive momentum wave, right? You don't have no like lazy leaning. You got vertical wave here. Money ramping right back up. Reset of the VWAP coming in. To me, this has room, okay? This has room, and this is aggressive. This money coming in is so gorgeous. It's almost flattering here. So you had very much indecision. This is price coiling up and then exploding, okay? Very much so. And it happens all the time. Coiling up, exploding, okay? It happens all the time on Market Cypher. You just got to be privy to the information. It typically is demonstrated by very short momentum waves, okay? Something to keep an eye on. The 12-hour up only, okay? Look at this thing. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Typically, when looking at a candle, you at least come halfway, okay? For all you traders reality, Vecta candles, this is you're bound to come back to this candle, but it's not written in stone. So that's why we like to trade what's given to us for the day and then run away, right? Take our money and run. That's my motto. Take the money and run and protect our risk, right? So right now everybody's a little bit excited, and it's our job to kind of calm the masses. I don't know. What is our job here? Our job is to press buy and sell, manage risk, and to take profits. Make money, extract profits, don't be retail. FOMOing in. Okay, so a lot of you feeling FOMO. I figured as much this morning. Greed as well. Yeah, for me, like looking at my bags, I'm like, whoo-wee. I mean, when your Bitcoin bags go up like 20, 30 grand within a week, it's pretty wild, right? It's pretty wild. So we got to stay level-headed, right? Level-headed is going to win. Feeling fear that we are up at the top possibly and could be looking to come down, right? That wouldn't be out of the realm of normal, right? If we are looking at history, and if history is to repeat, right now we should be looking for shorts, right? If we are looking at this, we are very much in a premium zone where price is overextended. Okay? We are in this area. Therefore, if we're treating this like a range, I would say from here to here, right? We are in premium. We are above where we should be looking to sell. In general. Now, is that realistic right now? Well, no, because there's a lot of conditions that are suggesting that this is going to continue. We have an election coming up. We have BlackRock buying so much Bitcoin, it's ridiculous. We have all the time schedules of Bitcoin when to take off lining up, right? We have the breakout retest of this flag that everybody's talking about. We have continuation, and we can see momentum has shifted. Sentiment has shifted. Fear and greed is at 72. It's a whole new ball game now, right? Just like those poor Yankees. I mean, they're down 3-0 now. If anyone's watching baseball, I mean, as a Toronto Blue Jays fan, I love seeing the New York Yankees lose. I probably just lost some subscribers. But for me, one blowjob, one BJ is better than 9 Yanks any day. One Blue Jay is better than 9 Yanks any day. And that's the kind of saying we say up here in Canada. Probably rude, but that's what we're thinking. Let's get back over here. So our 4, our 3, our 2, our 1, this is like our lifeblood, right? So if we're going to retest previous highs, that's quite possible. Let's look for some impulsive things. Okay, red dot, rounding out, momentum to the upside. VWAP resetting here on our 4 hour. So this is positive news. In my opinion, after such an aggressive move like this thing could stay up here. It's just a matter of resetting and jumping on the next higher low is going to allow us to take advantage of this. If you're feeling the FOMO, watch your 4 hour and look for something like this. Look for any sort of momentum wave to come down and the bounce of a VWAP crossover, money continuing to the upside. That's going to, things like this right here, you see the VWAP overextended, like here, overextended. Okay, these are going to be very great buys. You just got to be able to time it, and the VWAP allows you to see. You can see the bottoming in the VWAP. If we zoom in here, you see the bottoming in the VWAP, okay? Which allows you to see these moves here, right? And if we're marking them out where the bottoming is, right, allows you to get long for those moves up, okay? So right now we're looking for the bottoming of the VWAP, and we're looking for a momentum wave back up for continuation, okay? This thing, in my opinion, right now, probably going to flag out something like this, okay? And then pop, if we're going to pop. We're at key resistance. We'll see if it does want to shut us down, but it's something to be aware of. Okay, so now going into our 3, our 2, our 1 for the day. 3, rolling over, same thing, VWAP resetting. 2, rolling over, much more reset than the rest. I'm just kind of trickling out here, which is still, this is strength in the bulls. Whenever you see something like this, where it's like really struggling to go down. See how flat this is? See how spiky this is? This is resetting, okay? And look at this. This is crazy up here. So we're trying to catch these. It's not easy, okay? It's not easy. One thing I do suggest, if you are looking to trade trend, okay, trend, you go on like a 1 hour EMA, right? You got your 9, your 21, your 55. Okay, so resetting of any of these, right? So holding your 9, this is extremely bullish, right? The alligator mouth has opened. We have a good trader, RJ, in our Discord who talks a lot about the EMAs, and he's got proof in the pudding, man. He's crushing those trades as well, and he shares out a lot of his stuff as well. So we love seeing all of you guys win. But yeah, EMAs good for big trending markets. Come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. There's a free section as well, or you can join the premium where you get the trade setups and everything like that. $20 a month, pretty sweet deal. We are bringing in more signals, more traders, great group of people. Let's rock out these schlongs on today's volatility. So Tamale wants to rock out with our schlong today, so we're gonna do that. Let's see if there's something to schlong, okay? Pretty funny. Looking for continuation here. So you can use an EMA anytime you get between your 9 and your 21 here on a 1 hour. You can see possible buying opportunities. Okay, once the gates open, right, you're looking for that retest for a continuation to the upside. Okay. Let's go to our 30. Cooling off, resetting a VWAP. Okay, so this is healthy. This is healthy. So we do have some key areas that we are looking at here for potential bounces, okay? Currently, where we are trading, okay, we are holding VWAP right now. Okay, we have not blasted through it yet. I'm looking for a potential long here. Breakout, retest, continuation on this downwards momentum. We'll see if we get it. I have not fired off a long yet. Okay, it's 9:12. We got 18 minutes till market opens. This is looking not so good. Okay, we are holding this low right now, but it's very, very, very close. Okay, we are holding this low. As you can see here, we're in a golden pocket retracement. We are looking to bounce. Is it going to happen? We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. If you are coming in late, thank you for being here. Much love to you. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'd love to have you in our Discord. We're trying to get to 5,000 subs by January. That's kind of our goal. We are almost at 4,000. We are at like 3,950 or something like that. So we're growers and showers, putting on the show Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, looking for this thing to bounce, man. Double top. Concerning. Okay. I want to see a clean break here, and I want to see a push above the high. Then we can look to get long. Okay, so what do I mean by that? A push here, holding VWAP. So this long would look like something like this. So you'd push here, whee! You'd break the high here, whee! You'd retest, and then you go, right? Is it going to happen? We'll see. We'll see. This is a potential long. This is a more riskier long if you want to go long here, but that's always up to you guys. It's never financial advice. It's always here to kind of, we're always here to kind of guide you and, you know, add confluence to the thoughts that you're thinking, kind of give you some background noise into your head, and hopefully we can help you manage your risk, manage your patience, manage yourself, right? This is you against some candlesticks on a chart, right? You need to manage your risk. You need to operate like a business. You need to protect yourself as best as you can, okay? That's the name of the game. That's the name of the game. And if you can't manage yourself, you're going to end up like these people with all these feelings of FOMO, greed, fear, and joy, okay? I'm happy for the joyful people in here. Thank you for being so kind and being in here and hanging out with us. So mad love to you guys. Is there a way to open a swing position now and later on increase its leverage? Yeah, absolutely. You just change the leverage. You just change the leverage. A lot of people do that after they take profits. Follow Baba. A lot of people will like go swing long, 10x leverage, and then they'll crank it up once they take some profits. Okay. Good morning, Jeanette. How's it going? Good to see you. Thank you so much for being here. Mad love to you. Thank you for always supporting the channel. Greatly appreciate you. Legend. Good morning, Global Peace. Good morning, Global Peace. Are you looking for a long or a short? We're looking for a long right now. Ooh, I got a stomach ache. I might have to take a bathroom break. A bathroom. You know when someone says bathroom or washroom instead of take a piss? You know what it means, right? Oh, man. Now we're going to have toilet talk. I just added to my ETH short. Ooh, wee. Let's go. Say good morning, everybody. David Brumbelow says LOL. You're trading against me. Remember that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, man. We'll see how quick I can make it. I'm gonna go make another coffee. Is that what people say? That's the easy way out, right? I'm honest about it though. I've never said I'm gonna go make a coffee and then I go to the toilet. I've never done that. I always just gonna be straight with you guys. I'm gonna go dump the markets. I'll be right back, okay? Looking for this long. I'll be as quick as possible. If you need to hit me up, I'll be on my phone. I'll be right back. No way. You guys stuck around for me. No way. You know what they say? You know what they say? You guys are real ones. You guys stuck. I want to see all the comments on my poo. RateMyPoo.com. All right. He has to powder his nose. No, no way. No way. Checking your email. You got to poop. Big down. Bitcoin pumping. breaking structure here, pushing out of the long area given this morning. If you guys got long, you could be making money. I might take a stab now. Got to reset. You know, I feel much lighter. And I'm ready to I'm ready to make some money. Aren't you? Are you guys feeling gonna add cons at your entry level? Okay, I remember when I was that age, life was easier then. Dixie's increasing. We always like a big old increase on our Dixie. Okay, I might just FOMO in long here. Wow, we're pumping. We got 9 minutes till open. We're pumping out of VWAP. Holding. We break structure here. It might get long. Might just get long. Ooh, might just get long. Thank you, everybody, for being here and for sticking with me, even though we were dropping the kids off at the pool. Yes. Alex needs the bathroom. Yes. Sorry, I'm human. I normally take care of business before the live stream, okay? I normally a non-BTC the bidet or toilet paper. You guys want some I'm going to go for a quick dump, yeah. Hope you washed. Yeah, we washed the hands thoroughly. Come on. RateMyPoo.com. That was a classic 90s kid. Good morning, Black Livin'. Good morning. Hope you washed. Bring the microphone with you. Real otters. Yeah, you guys are real otters, man. Sticking with me. Let's see some otters in the chat. If you are just coming in now, would love for you to... Wow, 338 people in here. You guys are incredible, man. You guys are incredible. Thank you so much for being here. Looking for this thing to continue upwards. We have not entered the trade yet. We were looking for the long from VWAP here. It didn't even tickle the VWAP, okay? It didn't even tickle it. We're looking for continuation. Obviously, we want to trade with trend, but we don't want to be irresponsible with buying the top, okay? That is not what we're looking to do here, okay? Wet wipes are greater than toilet paper. Okay, I agree there. We have so many wet wipes. We went and raided Costco and got so many wet wipes for our baby. We got a lot of otters coming in. I want to see the cup and handle play out on the weekly. That would be pretty cool. That weekly cup and handle of the macro. That would be really cool. There's many ways to dissect that, but I do like that. Okay, smash the like for the pooper. Let's go. Talk about being late. Let's go. Al Jr. We got Hancock's back in the chat. What's going on? Al Jr., also known as Hancock, coming in here. Hope the kids are safe, Alex. The kids are all right. They had their life vests on. Poo to the moon. Yeah, inverse poo trade. Let's go. We got David Brumbelow, IKO. What's going on? I think bear, does a bear shit in the woods. It does. 232 likes, new record incoming. Yeah, 264 was our record. 264. So if we could get over 264, that would be incredible. I hit the view up on BTC USD Bybit. Levels get front on Bybit. BTC USDT. Ooh, interesting. Sounds very conspiracy, but it's probably true. Darren does things, knows his shit. He's very tuned into the market. Darren, what are you thinking about this JOLTS jobs? Is this going to really move the market this morning at 10 a.m.? We got 6 minutes till market opens. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. We'd love to have you. We're on our way to 4,000 subscribers. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? The Bitcoin chicken, Crypto Boyo, with 5 gifted Alexo Crypto memberships. Now you can put in the otters, the real otters, the otters with the schlong. Mad love to you, Crypto Boyo, man. My man, God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Black Livin' was gifted a membership. Blair Stevenson, Michael Cruige, welcome. Massey was gifted. Mr. Zed, what's going on? Or is it Mr. Z? You tell me. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Lots of shorts came in. Okay, that's good. They'll get wrecked, hopefully. Help Alex get that like beatbox. Listen to the beatbox. If you are new here and you are lurking, thank you so much for being here. God bless you. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Welcome to the Otter Gang Alex O Crypto Show, where we go live and trade every morning except Wednesdays, because I have appointments on Wednesdays, and we look to take money from this market. Looking for the potential long VWAP bounce off of here. We are Market Cypher sponsored channel. We are here kicking ass, taking names on a daily, giving longs, giving shorts, crushing it as a community. If you want to get more involved, join us in the Discord. Link is down below. I am the worst salesman, but I am also here to try and help you. And by selling you something that's worth it, I think that's helping you. So trying to help you. We're traders helping traders. That's what it's all about. We do TA sessions. We give live trade setups. We tell you when we're entering, when we're exiting, how we're positioning ourselves. We give it all away for free. We have 3 amazing traders in our Discord, an amazing group of people. Let's go with the dad joke right now, because we are a new dad, and hopefully we can have our son look back and do honor by him. What do scuba divers fall backwards in? Why do scuba divers fall backwards into water? Because they fell forwards, they'd still be in the boat. That was absolutely terrible. We are going to lose subscribers with that joke. Let's go, Dino. A quick shout out to all the sidewalks out there. Thanks for keeping me off the streets. Okay, and that's the end of that. Don't like for that. That's some. We used to have the dad joke book going. It was all right. Okay, my joke today is. Actually, it's not really a joke. It's a question to everybody in the audience, okay? Why is our teeth are the only bones that we do clean? We clean our bones. Sometimes me and Mrs. Otter, whenever we go and brush our teeth, we always say, we're going to clean our bones. It's the only bone you really clean, isn't it? Now, I want you guys to take your minds out of the gutter, because I know what bone you're going to refer to me in the chat. But did you know that your teeth are the only bones you actually clean? That's pretty cool. And I know half of you people in there sitting on your wanking chariot of a chair don't clean your bone anyways. So take that. What if you're old and lurking? David Brumbelow, you can lurk all day long, man. You have a free front row seat. Volume incoming. Let's go. Get to the chopper. Let's go. DJ Ani in the chat. What's going on? Kalut, Ty Fox. Mad love to everybody in here. Let's go. Looking at the S&P, looking to gap down and break up. That is the hope for today. It has been very flat. Okay, no real decision here. But I would like for it to close down. Overall, S&P chopping sideways, still making all-time highs. The NASDAQ trying to hold support here, pushing onwards and upwards. Bitcoin dominance absolutely ripping, almost hitting that 60% goal. Ben Cowan is going to be thrilled with that. The Dixie ripping to the upside, suggesting people holding dollars. So this is kind of controversial, which does mean we want to see this thing break down in order for risk on assets to go up. The Russell 2000 has not been doing too hot, right? We want to see expansion here on the Russell. We can see that it has made a series of higher highs and higher lows, and it's looking to continue. However, flagging out here, trying to possibly break down before continuing, quite possible. We need to keep our eyes on the prize. 2,300 is our expansion level. We want to see this get out of here. This thing has just, ascended triangle here. So if we're in this thing, we're looking for this thing to break out, getting into expansion, hopefully leading us into the promised land for risk on assets such as Bitcoin. We're watching this closely, okay? We use this for confluence in our daily scalping, in our daily trading, okay? So this looks like it wants to continue upwards if we do get a higher low in the short term, okay? Looking to hold here on the NASDAQ. S&P looking for the gap down. Right now, what do we got? coming down, gapping down. Okay, so we do have a gap down. Oh, this is break even. Okay, so we look for it to push back up. We'll see it is rolling over a little bit right now. We are still in a string of higher lows, okay? So we're looking for a push back right now on the S&P. Gapping down is good, right? We gapped up yesterday and then we rolled over. So we're looking for this to push. Bitcoin rolling over quite aggressively, coming back to retest. Is this going to come down into VWAP right now as we speak? Looking at our key level for a potential bounce. That's why we did not take a trade this morning. We wait for volume. We wait for this thing to react, coming back, retesting our previous lows. Is this the area we're going to get long? I'm not ready for it yet. Not ready for it yet. I want to see an aggressive bounce out of here. This is a pretty good sell-off coming in right now. We have a little bit of a double top on the highs of this area here. So this could be coming down, rolling over. Another key area that we are looking for this thing to come to, 70,700. Okay, if we are going to bounce, that would be a key area that I'm interested in. Right now we have broken structure to the downside, taking out this low in here. Okay, next significant low that's on the table is this one here, liquidity sweep. Quite a possibility for us right now as we're speaking. People waking up this morning, they are buying the top. Retail is buying the top here, right? Looking for this thing to continue. Feeling the FOMO, feeling, oh my God, I missed the move. I should have got long at whatever, 1,000, 60,000, 69,000. And the opportunity has been missed. Now I'm going to press buy and I'm going to get wrecked, okay? Let's not be those people. Let's be level-headed. Let's be patient. This is looking toppy. This could Bart Simpson on us quite easily right now on our like hourly and stuff like that. We can see that we do have this cooling off right now with a confirmed red dot pushing down. Money is still ramping to the upside, but that doesn't mean we can't top here, okay? Waiting for VWAP to really reset and bounce is going to be ideal. Right now, they're trying to trap traders. Looking at this, we can see that we did get a bounce off of the low here. However, this has come down and grabbed a bunch of liquidity within this area down here. Does this mean it's going to hold? I would like to see it bounce and hold VWAP if I'm going to go long here. However, if it doesn't, then we wait. We wait. If we want to look for the potential short, that was probably up here, but early, not a good decision to be made when you're just coming to the charts and you haven't had your morning poop. So right now, maybe this is the time where we look for a potential long. If we can come back and hold VWAP, then that shows strengths. Right now, we've lost the golden pocket right now, and it is pushing down quite aggressively, okay? That's why we want to make sure that we are managing our risk accordingly and looking for this thing to potentially push back. It doesn't mean it's going to happen, but, keeping our eyes on the price, we're looking down at this area in here now for a potential long. Losing VWAP, we could look for a retest of VWAP coming back in and pushing back down for a continuation back down into this golden pocket area down below here. This is simply coming back and wrecking everybody who wants to go long. This is all Asia. This is from 10 o'clock last night right here, pushing us up and consolidating outwards. Okay, so Asia pushed us. Typically, we recover Asia, then we do whatever is intended for open today. So we'll keep our eyes on that. Waiting for this trigger wave, that would be nice. With an oscillation on a 15-minute time frame where we're constantly above here, these trigger waves down below can be quite lucrative if we're patient enough to wait for them. Okay, so let's keep our eyes on the price. Obviously, uptrend. Okay, whenever we uptrend on our oscillator, we look for the dips down below where we can possibly take advantage of it and drive off into the promised land. Okay, so something I am keeping my eyes on this morning is for a potential bounce if we are going to get it. However, patience will prevail. Okay, you can see we are trying to put in a bull div here. Doesn't mean we're necessarily going to get it. We would like to see strength coming back in, breaking out and going off of confirmation, not off after what we're feeling. Okay, we talked about feelings this morning. It's not how we were meant to trade. Okay, we're meant to look at this thing objectively and say, hey, where's price probably going to go and how can I position myself accordingly, right? How am I going to manage my risk and how am I going to manage my position size? Maybe I'm going to lower my leverage and give myself a little bit more wiggle room for my potential long so that, I can manage my risk, but also still catch the move, right? We want to adjust ourselves to what's going on in the market. Right now, everybody is feeling the FOMO. Everybody wants to be part of this, and they're just thinking, hey, man, I missed the move. We're going to the moon now. All-time highs. Here we come. Yada, yada, yada. And that's not necessarily necessarily the thought that we want to have as traders. As traders, we want to be objective to price action, right? We want to say, hey, right now we're pretty overextended. Like, this has been a nice move. Okay, we should have been getting long yesterday. Okay, and we did look for the long yesterday. We did not take the long. However, we did rocket ship to the upside. Now, everybody's feeling that FOMO, right? Everybody since yesterday is feeling the FOMO. We have created tons of liquidity here. Are we going to come back and visit this area? Are we going to come back and at least recover halfway up here? It's quite possible. Or are we going to go up only? If we are going to go up only, we want to be in positions like this where we wait for confirmations. Okay, so if I'm zooming into price action here, we want to see a clear trend reversal where we are looking for a continuation out. If we're not getting that, then we're not pressing buy. Okay, look at this beautiful liquidity grab that we just got here. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, sweet, pushing price up. Are we getting long here? I wouldn't go there. We have reclaimed VWAP now. So this is a good sign. Strength in the market, pushing back, grabbing liquidity. Now we can look at VWAP for potential retest and continuation. This is a nice sweep coming down here. Might look to get long here. Just not jumping in willy-nilly. Okay, might fire off a little long here for a little scalp back up to the highs. Ooh-wee. This is strong, baby. Look at this thing. Pushing up quick, 0.5%. Okay, let's see if we do get some price action here. Pushing up, reclaiming the high here. Nice recovery, pushing up. Let's go, Bitcoin. Might take a little stab here at a long. Okay. Let's see. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Push, baby. Push, baby. Let's go. Coming up to 71,700 is where I am looking for a potential take profit if we do come up and we continue to push here. Not saying it's going to happen. I'm just saying people are bullish, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Looking for the retest back into VWAP. Okay, looking for the retest. Let's see if we get it. Got a very clearly defined stop loss now. Very clear. Okay, clear as can be. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 310 likes. Holy shit. You guys are popping my like cherry, baby. Let's go. I've never had more than 260 likes. We're at 310. Holy Macintosh. Holy shit, Batman. Let's go, man. Thank you guys for blessing my stream with your presence, man. I mean, it's incredible, man. It's incredible. We long. We pressed buy. I must say, this is the most level-headed channel I have found so far. Thanks for you and what you do, bud. Thank you, man. Thank you for being here, John. I appreciate you. I FOMO'd in. Okay? I FOMO'd in. I'm going to take some profits. You guys know me. I'm going to pay myself for this crazy, miraculous price action, man. I FOMO'd in. Forgive me. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. We waited, though. The thing is that we waited. Okay? There's nothing wrong with being patient. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of fun. Okay? Do not follow me. This is never financial advice. I'm in from like here. Okay? I've just taken some profits. Okay? Stop loss is like literally on VWAP, okay? We could get knocked out here. Oh, man. This is a bad entry. This is not the entry I was looking for this morning, okay? I'll tell you that much. Oh, man. To those who got long off of VWAP, congratulations. I'm in this to win this. We'll see. We've taken a good chunk out, okay? I know this is risky. I've taken 75% out of this trade. If we do come back, I could add, okay? This would be an ideal add, and then I can manage my risk accordingly. Okay? Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this trade. Mark it out. Closed. Trade closed, okay? Just so you know. Trade is fully closed now. Okay? Trade is fully closed. Watch is gonna rip now. Oh man. Maybe I shouldn't have closed it. Come lower, Bitcoin. Come lower, baby. I think you can do it, Bitcoin. You know, you got to pay yourself in an environment like this, right? We got the volatility, we got price moving. Okay, S&P dumping hard. S&P is dumping hard. That's something to be cautious about. Nasdaq's bouncing off the support. Very nice. We're looking for continuation of the Russell. Nothing there. Dixie, up only for the Dixie. Thank you everybody for being here. 328 likes, 413 people here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Added to my long. Okay, pump it, baby. JOLTS job data, 10 a.m. Let's not forget that we were talking about this morning. We got to be prepared. Okay, we got to be like Uncle Scar, be prepared. DJT stock crash. Love the community, Alex. Thank you so much for being here, 12. God bless you. Congratulations, Alex. Best wishes. And thank you for everything. Super ofertas. Good morning to you. Offers. Good to see you. BTC looks like it's retesting a bullish pennant on the 10-minute. Absolutely could be doing so. Okay, bye-bye Schlong. Long stopped out and short in at hold me, I'm scared. Yeah, I would not be shorting this momentum. We want to wait for confirmations, okay? We want to wait for ETFs bought 1.7 Bitcoin this AM. Whoo! Here comes the retest back in. This is the one we're looking for. This is what we're looking for. Okay? Retest back in, looking at 71,140. 71,140, looking for this. We'll see if we get it. 71,140. Come back, baby. Come back to Papa. To Papa Otter, okay? Come on back. We can bring that up a little bit, maybe 180. 180. If it comes back, okay? That doesn't mean it's going to come back. Just trying to be prepared here. We have flipped VWAP. This is pushing up quite aggressively right now. I'm not FOMOing in, okay? We're being patient. Yet again, we're back to being patient, okay? Randy, good morning to you. Hero, what's going on? SPY dropping. I'm assuming Google wasn't good. Oh, yeah. I'm married with a kid, so weekly is all I can ask for. Let's go, everybody. Don't clean my own bone. Everybody's cleaning their bones, man. Veno, man, good to see you as well. This looks like it wants to rip. The meme will go down on you way more. Okay. What's the difference than a wife and a meme coin? The meme will go down on you way more. I don't think so. I don't think so. My wife's amazing, man. Sometimes I scrub it without soap. Google earnings on New York Bell. So SPY is dropping on the Google earnings. Bitcoin's ripping to the upside. Maybe they should hold some Bitcoin reserves, Google. Take a book out of the Sailor MSTR. Doing really well as well. I think it did a 3x yesterday in comparison to Bitcoin's movements. So massive shift here. Don't FOMO in at the top, please. We should have held that long, but you know what? It's okay. We took profits. We paid ourselves. We've made a good old chunk of money for the day, and we'll see how that continues to go. Okay, let's breakout retest very much on the table right now. We're looking for this. Questionable. We have a sell wall up here. If we do sweep the highs and come back down, it's very much on the table. Just being patient right now. Up 1% for the day. We've made some good money today, so let's just, we don't want to get overexposed. That was a little bit of a non-Alexo crypto trade there, a little bit of a risk taken, So let's be patient here. Let's be patient here. They're trapping longs again. Don't get it twisted. They're trapping longs again. Let's be level-headed, okay? Let's be level-headed. Congrats on being a dad. Thank you so much, Hung Huang. Mad love to you, man. It's truly a blessing. He's 2 months, two and a half months almost. It's so incredible. November pump is here. Let's go. Stock market is selling for BTC. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man, can you check Michi chart for me, my friend? Just send me the ticker. We might be able to get over there. Can you zoom again the chart? Yeah, absolutely. So looking at this, we have price trying to push up here. We're looking for a breakdown, retest. It doesn't seem like it wants to give it to us. We did get long here and take profits. Okay, we are out of this trade now and just up only. in my opinion, right now they're trapping longs. If we go on like a 1 minute, if we really want to get into the weeds here, you see trapping longs, pushing up. Okay, we have resistance here at 71,700. Doesn't mean we're going to get there. I would like to see it come back in here and then bounce. However, I mean, momentum is to the upside. Okay, so let's try not to chase price. I know a lot of you guys are feeling FOMO right now and like you missed the move, and you know that's a realistic feeling. That's a normal feeling to have in a situation like this. So we're definitely making sure we are being patient and trying to take high probability trades while managing risk, which is the hard part, right? So managing the risk is going to be the tricky part. So therefore, I always suggest lowering your leverage, lowering your margin, giving yourself a little bit more wiggle room on your idea, okay? We want to be trading a plan. Okay, the idea right now, VWAP retest continuation. We bounced off VWAP. You know, longing here wasn't ideal. This was the long, okay, but they're scaring people out. They're shaking people out. They're liquidity grabbing. You got the V-shaped recovery here. Now you're consolidating, chopping around up here. I want this. Doesn't mean we're going to get it, okay? But right now, trapping longs, in my opinion, probably rug down and then continue, okay? So being patient is going to be the name of the game, and then having the stones to fire off a long down here is going to be the hard part, okay? So I'm looking at 71,180 right now. 180 is kind of in the midst of here. Okay, so we're looking for that 180 mark, and then a very simple, you know, risk management is to just be looking to hold this low in here. So being patient. Let's see if price does come to us right now. We got 413 people in here, 335 likes, a new record for the channel, guys. Thank you so much for being here and supporting me. I appreciate you guys tremendously and all your kindness. I mean, such a great community here. If you are new here, please subscribe. It would help. We're on our way to 4,000 subscribers. If you want more, we have an amazing Discord, 3 traders giving signals, ideas, live streams, okay? $20 a month, can't go wrong with that. It's a great community built on kindness. We were free for 2 years, okay? And we figured we wanted to take it to the next level. We gave the Sui trade most recently. Sui long given from down below. Absolute banger of a trade, okay? Kyle be giving trade setups and ideas all the time. Brewberry's on holiday. He'll be back tomorrow, but he's Smart Money Concepts. Amazing stuff here. And we're also looking to bring on another altcoin trading scalping person in this upcoming month. So we're adding to this, continuing to grow the family. We would love to have you. Amazing group of people. Come over and hang out with us. Even in the free section, I mean, we have a great time. It's very active, and it's full of good people who aren't just there to talk shit and make you feel bad about yourself. We're here to help. So we'd love to have you over there. If you want to take it a little bit further, you can join our premium Discord, and if not, that's fine. We'd love to have you anyways, okay? So we are here live every time, giving it away for free, hopefully helping you on your trading journey. Looking for a little bit of a retest of the VWAP here. Bitcoin looking a bit toppy, okay? A little sweep of the lows, a little pushback here. S&P rolling up. Okay, holding the low here, looking like a little bit of strength. However, NASDAQ rolling over, okay? Something to keep in mind here. We have a very defined range, actually, for NASDAQ, and not pushing up on our Russell like we wanted to see. So a little bit of overextension, quite possible. Okay, we can see a lot of rotation going on here. Bitcoin dominance as well. Through the roof, continuing to fire off, right? This thing is up only, looking for that 60%. So Ben Cowan can say, I told you so before we break down and go into alt season, okay? Let's be patient here. Let's not be overexposed. You should be looking for shorts right now. Generally, you should be looking for shorts right now. However, conditionally, this is a very much up-only market. You can see that we have key areas that we are looking for. However, all-time highs are very close. Lots of liquidity up here around 74,000. People trapped in their shorts, not taking profits, right? So right now, very overextended, continuing to push up here. For me, I'm just trying to take what I can from the market on the daily, waiting for this thing to really give me the idea of, hey, we could continue from here, we can go up from here, or we can look to short from here. until I'm proven otherwise, this is up only territory. So we want to wait and be patient to get into possible long setups throughout the market. Okay. It's so great having everybody here. 341 likes, 413 people. We're setting records for the channel. It's incredible. Thank you guys so much for being here and supporting me. Hopefully we can help you with trading. Let's say hi to all the new people. Make sure you guys say hello. We always start early at 8:15 every morning to say good morning to everyone. I think it's very important to create a community of people who are, all working together, right? We want to be equals here. We all want to work together. We don't have all the answers, but as a community, woo-wee, look at Bitcoin go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Coming up, hitting our key level of resistance, bouncing off of that. Wow. Nice move here for Bitcoin, continuing to push onwards and upwards. The FOMO is real. Wow. Okay, hitting our key resistance level, getting a little bit of rejection back down. Now this is a break. This is a big push up, looking for the retest back in, and then a continuation out. Wow, look at Bitcoin go 71,600, man. This is incredible. Incredible stuff, man. This is so cool. Love seeing Bitcoin rip. Hopefully you guys spot bags are starting to look right juicy with this price action. This is incredible. The long was here. We went long here. So some of you guys are long. Let me know in the chat. Are you guys long? And if you are new here, make sure you say hello. I would love to say hello to you and say good morning. 12 Big Dow. There will be so many FUDs now. Kubab, good morning to you. Good morning to you. What do you think of grass token? I mean, you shouldn't smoke a token. It's not very healthy. Bearish div incoming? Absolutely. That would be a sweep of the highs. Probably bearish divergence up in here. People are going to be buying the top here. I can't justify pressing long here. I can, though, however, look for a retracement and try to position myself accordingly. Flash down to 71 would be nice. Absolutely. I'd love to see some liquidations. I'd expect a little retracement, Damien. Good morning to you. Yeah. We were looking for that here off of VWAP. It bounced aggressively. So the scalp is the play. Yeah. So the scalp. The thing with scalp is you can take multiple during the day. You don't got to hold it overnight while you're sleeping. There's a lot of advantages to it, but you really got to manage your risk. Okay, I think that's the hardest part about scalping is people think you can trade like this scalping, and it's not. This is not lucrative, in my opinion. You can't be, you got to still have a good R multiple when you are scalping. I think that's important, especially small wins, small losses. Then the big wins come, and that's where you make a lot of money. Aaron Turner, good morning. Thank you for that. Solana, Michi, we can possibly get over to that. I'm not sure if we'll get to that today. Melissa, good morning. Channel is fire. Let's go, Wayne. Mad love to you. Gallery Militer, Indonesia. Never leave your trading rules. People tend to break them as panic occurs. That's it, right? People are buying the highs, right? This is not an area where you're pressing buy, okay? Yes, it can continue. It's not an area where you're pressing buy, okay? SJ Kim, price coming down. Yeah, could be. Could be. Up and down, side to side in time. That's all we have to do. Martin, hello to you. Allison, hoping Shiba rips today. Quite possible. I am looking for Pepe to rip today. I actually put a little bit of money into Pepe today. Just a little bit of a degenerate play. Sometimes you got to have a little bit of fun. Crypto Traveler, good to see you. Mad love to you. Carlos, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Zena, good morning. Good morning to you. FN Carol, long, okay? Let me know if you guys are long or short if you're looking for a trade right now. Good morning to you, Che Max. What do you think of grass token? No grass for me, my friend. Guliam, salute. Alex, thank you for your stream. Just bought the VWAP test. Nice, long, beautiful VWAP retest. Beautiful trade. Awesome. 7 minutes till job data. Here we go. Let's go. We got the JOLTS job openings in 6 minutes. Guys, you might want to take those profits, protect yourself in a situation like this when we have data coming out in the next 5 minutes, okay? It's going to be an interesting. Trying to long, says Vamp. Van Pilot, good to see you. Welcome. Good morning to everybody. Thank you so much for being here, supporting the stream. We got 400 people in here, 343 likes. Holy shit. That is crazy, man. So right now, Bitcoin ripping to the upside, getting everybody really feeling the FOMO. That's typical, right? That's typical. Look at this thing continuing to push. Bitcoin breaking out, hitting 71,800. Let's go, Bitcoin. Beautiful breakout here, pushing through this key level of resistance that I've had marked down on my chart, really sweeping the highs now. So this is interesting. We have grabbed liquidity above us. So there is still quite a bit above us if we're going to look at like a heat map or something like that. I'm not big on the heat maps. I think can be misleading to us. I'm not going to be like, hey, man, just because this thing is shiny and pointing this direction that we're going to go heat map trading, okay? The heat map doesn't allow me to get into a trade. It just kind of guides me in the sense of, hey, we could be looking for this area. We could not be looking for this area. Right now, I think understanding if we're looking at a heat map, what is relevant, right? So what is relevant on this heat map is definitely the liquidity we're creating as people are buying up this thing. But it's really this level, right? This level up here at right around 72,500. Okay, that would be the sweep of that, right? So if we're looking at this, understand that, hey, the sweep would be 72,500, very much on the table. Okay, we're very close. We're not far from it. We're at 71,700 right now, right? So very much on the table. However, when moving up in something like this, if we go to like a 3-day, right, and we get rid of that 72,000 and we look at these longs, look at the longs that have built up around 68,000, 66,000, okay? Very, very concerning to say the least that, look at this. We got, millions and millions and billions of dollars down here of long liquidations as well. So, you got to pick your poison in that sense. And for me, right now, up only is a factor, but is this sustainable, right? We love Bitcoin for the moves, right? We love Bitcoin for the moves. Beautiful parabolic uptrend here. However, when it goes down, it definitely takes the friggin' elevator, right? It downs on people, right? So we need to be patient for anything like this if we're going to get a retest and continuation, right? This up only thing is what Bitcoin does. That's why we love it. But on the other hand, it's also like, okay, how are we protecting ourselves? How are we protecting our risk? How are we protecting our downside? And where are we getting long, right? So in general, you could have been looking at this as a range and where you wanted to buy this morning. VWAP coming in as support. We had the level given in advance this morning. We did not get in long here. We got in long over here, and then we closed up here because for me, it was a little bit of a degenerate play this morning to just go buy here. We wanted to see this thing continue to rip, which it has. However, the real trade setup was down here this morning, okay? And that was given in advance. You can go back and look. But right now, this is continuing to rip. Very beautiful move here for Bitcoin. We remain patient. We got this JOLTS job openings coming our way right away in about a minute and a half. 1 minute till JOLTS job openings here. So we would like to see this come in above 7.8 million. We would like to see it. Will we see it? That's up to whoever fuds the numbers. We're not the numbers guy. We know that half the time they're revising these numbers, which is a crock of poop. But we just want to be aware that this can move markets initially, so we want to be prepared for that. Okay, look at this thing absolutely ripping to the upside. Congratulations all those who took the long, hit an 855 for the day. Incredible move here for Bitcoin. Really, really aggressive shakeout, right? You see these shakeouts. So be prepared, right? Be prepared for this long. If we come back down, right? We want to see topping signal. We see topping signal. We see the retracement. Okay, we pull a fib. We get our golden pocket. We look for continuation, right? Very, very easy. Lemon squeezy. Now I'm looking for a retest of previous highs. So I'm going to be looking for this area in here for a potential buy. If we do come back into this with jolts. Okay, looking for this. Protecting ourselves, possibly below. Let's see, local point of control. Let's pull this. Yeah, so protecting ourselves below this volume here. Just like that. Okay, looking for potential long. Retesting the highs. Okay, 71,500. We got the JOLTS job openings coming in right now as we speak. Coming in below, not looking too good for the JOLTS job openings this morning, decreasing to 7,443. Okay, not looking too shabby for the JOLTS, which does mean bearishness, doesn't it? Whew, nothing here. Okay, Dixie's rolling over. Ooh, man, look at all the room for Dixie to roll over after this. This was our jobs numbers over here, and since then it's been up only. Wow. Okay, so not moving Bitcoin at all. Bitcoin doesn't give a shit about JOLTS. And we're here every single day. Oh, man. Tomorrow is our day off, Wednesdays. We will be doing a live stream in our Discord. 350 people, 350 likes today, guys. Incredible. Guys, if you're new here, please subscribe. We'd love to have you here every morning. God bless you guys. It's been a fun one. It has. Well, that's a wrap. I'll have to fix the green screen. I don't think it's too bad. I think it's all right. We can obviously make it look a little bit more crispy. But nonetheless, this is up only, baby. Be safe out there. Make sure you protect your risk. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the Discord. Peace.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame for a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame for a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto.